They made them just like different stuff.
Like, can you give me an example?
Like in Ezekiel, he puts hearts on the bottom.
You're right.
Decorations.
Christian?
They decorate them different.
You're right.
That's what she was just talking about.
Anyone else? Yes.
They put them in different seasons.
In different seasons. Very good. See, everyone made a bird and everyone decorated them differently because we're all different artists. Some people put theirs flying, some people put theirs eating worms, some people put theirs sitting on the grass or walking around because we're all different.
Looking at people's shoes. That's what or they're flying.
Some were flying. You're right.
We used to do their mom.
Okay, I'm going to line up the quiet tables first. When we're standing in line, we need to be quiet and facing forward. And we need to be ready to go out in the hallway.